Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'll show you on how to boost performance on your Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first tip I want to share with you on how to boost the performance of your Windows PC. What you need to do on your keyboard, press Windows key and R, and this is going to pump up. So type in prefetch right here and hit on OK. Then what you need to do right here is to click on continue. Then what you need to do right here is to make sure you delete all this file. And for you to do that, press Ctrl plus A just to select all the file. Next thing you want to do is to press Shift key and delete key on your keyboard, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on yes. So the next thing you want to do is to press Windows plus R again, and this dialog box is going to pump up. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply type in 10 and then click on OK. Next thing you need to do is to click on continue. Then it's going to take you to all the junk file you have on your PC right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply press Ctrl A to select all, press Shift key and delete key on your keyboard. This is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on yes, and all the file right here need to be deleted. Click on continue, and all the file is going to be deleted, just like what you see right here. Lastly, press Windows plus R and then come to the wrong box right here and make sure you type in msconfig, just like what you see right here. msconfig, as you can see right here, type in msconfig and hit on OK. Then this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to boot, then click on advanced options, and then come to the top right here, click on number of processor, then click on here and choose the higher version of processor. Come down below here and hit on OK, then restart your PC. With that, you have improved the performance of your Windows PC without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.